right back in the consolidation range. Tried to dip, break down yesterday, changed our mind. Nope. They're still trying to hang on to it. 41.52. I still like that 41.64 area. I'm still going to get short that 41.64 area every time we get up there. Anything under 141.36, and I'm going to be looking for shorts. Anything at 141.64, I'm going to be looking for shorts. So if we get a quick dip to 41.36, I might like something long. Anything over 41.64, I might like it long. Anywhere else is a short. I don't trust this market until I see it break out. And I'm not that 50% again. There, I knew it. I had a good short. I was just early. That's all right. If I'd have been a little bit more patient, right, I'd be paying myself right now. So it's all right. The fact that the OIM calculations are lower this morning than they were yesterday says a lot. And for a shift down today, not a shift up, according to the OIM calculations, says a lot. It's part of the reason I want to just be short. I don't trust the long, even though we're on the open print. Come on, man, get up there. At least get to 50%. There goes SPX. Die, mother trucker. Is that your idea, dying?
Order filled.
I got out of those, man. Just made a couple $100 on them. That open print's holding nice. It's gonna rip faces off here. As soon as it dipped under that open print and started coming back up over it, that made me nervous. If we can pop back up to 50, I might get some more on it or break the open print, but I don't like that price action right there. I'm gonna get my limit order out again on this.
Order filled.
There we go. A little bit late. I like to enter in the first minute. But there's the 1, 2, 3 reversal on the 15. Still risky as hell, you guys, but the setups there, we can't even quite get back to the 50%. It retraced almost the whole thing. Open print, it's trying. It set up a 1, 2, 3 reversal on the 15. I know we're still, pretty bullish over the open print, over the 5-minute 9. This thing could still rip faces off. We made a run for it, got bought up. The breakdown got bought up. So I'm just putting my money on the short side in case we make a run for it again.
Order filled.
Just got paid on that. Had a sell order out, got paid. We're just now breaking the open print, tapping the 5-minute 9. Let's go, Millways. Let's fucking go. Next target is 41.36. We're right back in the short setup again right now, but there's not enough risk reward really here to take the short. I like it up here, so I can pay myself down here. I'm not too excited about getting short, with $6 worth of risk reward. So I'm not doing anything right now. I like that pop into the 50% mark there for another fail, but I'm gonna let the hour close. Got a nice 1, 2, 3 reversal on the 15, got paid good on that. It just hit that same trigger again. Same effing trigger again, but we got 2 catalysts. I would love to have gotten that short, but we got 2 catalysts coming up there, top of the hour. Let's let that hit first. No sense in getting short and guessing what's going to be the catalyst or reaction, right? And no sense. So, see, I'd be tempted to get long right here, right now. Just hit that open print again. Get long, nice catalyst. Rip faces off, but I don't trust nothing. I'm going to let the catalyst hit first and go from there. We can't even get back over the 50% yet, so. Bam, beautiful. Started going right there. If I can get a bounce back up to the open print, I'm going to get a combo on. Could have put on that combo. Would have been a beautiful trade, but man, that was looking a little too bullish. Made me nervous. Still, this turned into a great trade here. Let's go. If we could break 36, I'm going to take profits at 36 and then hang on to some after for that breakdown if we can get it.
Order filled.
There we go. Taking some profits. We're a little higher, but
order filled.
Pay myself a little bit. 2 minutes in, 2.5 in. We're at the Black Magic. Beautiful. I caught about 75% of that too, boy. Well, I'm still catching more. Come on down. 20, 22, right into that 20, 22 area here. I'm going to take some profits. If I can get a bounce to 27, I'm going to add another strike. Just getting a little skin in the game. Nothing major. I still have 2 contracts left on the 1 strike. So I got, plenty of money on the books. Just add a little bit here. If we pop, I'll get full size. I think this thing's going to drop here. There ain't no stopping it. 15-minute breakdown. This thing's going to fly all the way down into 4,100. So
order filled.
Pay myself a little bit here at 10. Profit stops in place. Just moved them up too, tighten them a bit. Might get stopped out here. All right, it was a nice payday.
Order filled.
There we go. Profit stop hit, all out that strike. Down to 2 contracts. 1 strike from way the hell up there. What a trade, man. I was in the 70s and out the gate, and then I got me some 60s, 50s, 40s, 30s.